neutralization. Did I give you any activity to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Did anyone do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Shreya, did you
Yes,
get what was the feedback your activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Just explain yourself.
ma'am, the vinegar was light purplish
Uh,
and the baking soda was colorless.
color?
Less.
Less. Very good. That's correct. Okay. So
Ma'am,
acid
so we understand hibiscus or shoe flower is an indicator.
indicator. So you got a light purple color when you put in the vinegar. Correct? Very good. Base become colorless.
Colorless.
I'll teach you why the base become colorless later. Okay. Yeah. What about others? Anyone would like to give me the feedback? Children? Anyone did the activity? Hello? For all this, there is mark. I wanted
Yes,
today,
ma'am.
those who did not do.
Ma'am,
Today,
we done.
today you go and do it. If you don't have a shoe flower, I'll give you 1 week in time. If you don't have that shoe flower, get it from your neighborhood or somewhere. And do this activity. You take vinegar and baking soda, that's enough. Even washing powder water, washing soap solution also we can do. Instead of baking soda, you don't have baking soda at home, you can also have surf water, that is a base. Take a surf water, 2-3 spoons, that's enough. Don't want such a lot. Similarly, vinegar also 2-3 spoons, that's enough. And I wanted everyone personally send me the feedback of your activity, because I am going to enter the marks according to that. So those who do not give me the feedback, I will not give the marks for activity, because in your term 1, you are having an activity to do. Okay. So that will be added in your final marks. So 80 marks is the total your paper, 20 marks is activity. In that 5 marks for portfolio. Just last year, how you had the same way. 5 marks for portfolio, 5 marks for your class note, writing, whatever questions I am sending, whatever you are writing, and 5 marks for your periodic test, all that multiple things, and another 5 marks for your activity. So there is a mark for it. So I'm not simply saying this. So why I'm saying this is possible by everyone. It's not a difficult one. It's a possible by everyone. So this is one activity you have to do. Another activity I will explain today, that you can do with the yellow powder in your kitchen, turmeric powder. Okay. That I explain when I take the class. Okay. And both activity you have to do and send in my personal WhatsApp and tell that, ma'am, I am so and so. I am Aisha Hida 7C. Then you write acid, color. What color you got? A base, what color you got? Okay. So like just that's enough. Don't have to write a give lecture on it. You just write it point wise. Acid, vinegar. You write. Otherwise, instead of saying vinegar, you instead of writing acid, you say vinegar. Vinegar, this. Turmeric powder, this. Not turmeric powder is indicator. Vinegar, this. Baking soda, this. Or soap solution, this. I'm telling it only to do this these two. And those who are able, you can take the lemon juice also. Take one small lemon and squeeze the juice without adding into it. And in that you put this hibiscus water. Then also you will get this purple color, what Shreya said. Okay. So that is what. So Shreya only did. So I will be giving Shreya more marks for Indian assignment. Okay. Others, no one did it. When I say what you thought, it is simply I'm saying it.
Ma'am, I did that.
Yeah. Who did that?
Ma'am, V3.
What was your result? Gopika, tell me one result.
And we got the purple color.
Which acid you use? Means which liquid you use?
Ma'am, baking soda.
Baking soda is a base.
Yes. And ma'am, vinegar also.
Vinegar. Correct. So Shreya also got, Gopika, Parvati, Amrita. They also got. So that means everyone will get it. See, both of us got the same answer. That means that activity is correct. Okay. So all of you do that. Gopika and Shreya, I don't want you to send a message again to me. I will put the mark today because I know your name. Others, do it and send the feedback. I'm giving you 1 week in time. By Monday when you come, no, within Saturday you should give me the result. feedback. Okay. Online, I cannot ask everyone because you know the time will be taken. You send in the WhatsApp. Your name should be indicated and vinegar color and base color. After doing that, some of you are very good. You know, now you got what was the activity. You just simply type it and give me the answer. Don't do that. If you really want to study chemistry properly, do the activity. Simply don't copy the answer and send it to me. Huh? Especially boys are very good in that.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
Shahaban.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I just came now because of connection problem. So can you repeat it again what you say?
This I have told you in the last class. Do a activity. Shoe flower. Shoe flower taking water.
Uh,
You are there now. That one.
yes, ma'am.
Did you do that, Wasim? Did you do that
No,
activity? Eh?
what was C?
Did you do that activity?
No, ma'am.
So only 4 people have done it. So I am telling rest of you to do it and send me in the mobile, in my personal number. After doing activity, what is that? What you got? Vinegar and the baking soda. Okay. Okay, children? Yeah. So already we learned what is neutralization. Okay.
Ma'am.
Effins, what do you mean by neutralization, Effin?
Yes, ma'am.
What is neutralization?
It is chemical reaction.
Chemical reaction between what? Chemical reaction
base.
between what?
Acid and base.
Shreya, you don't say, let him say, otherwise they will not study. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Effins,
Yes, ma'am.
neutralization is a chemical reaction. Okay, partially correct. Chemical reaction between whom? Between me and you?
No, ma'am.
Then what is that? What is that? Huh? Read your textbook and see what is neutralization. Okay. Yeah. Ashwin, what is neutralization, Ashwin?
Hello, ma'am.
Chemical reaction
Neutralization
between?
is a chemical reaction between acid and base.
Okay, correct. Okay, so someone else is saying the answer. So chemical reaction between acid and base is known as neutralization. Okay, let me go to Anna. Anna, what do you mean by indicator? Indicator.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, last class I was not there.
Don't tell me, I told you, don't give me excuses. Look at the uploaded classes and learn. Don't give me excuses like this. Okay, Jonal, nicely you are smiling. Now give me, what is an indicator?
The thing which helps to identify it is the base or an acid.
Very good, very good.
Indicator.
The substance which helps to identify whether whether another liquid is an acid or
Base.
okay. Now children, we are moving on to next indicator, that is our turmeric powder. So second indicator. So first indicator, what we learned was,
Hibiscus.
yeah, hibiscus. Hibiscus, that is the botanical name. So indicators, mainly we have to study 3 indicators. First one was hibiscus, that is a botanical name. Hibiscus, or another one, shoe flower.
Shoe flower.
Third one, turmeric powder.
Turmeric.
That is our yellow powder which we use in our food. And apart from that, where we use this turmeric powder, girls may know it. Tell me.
Cooking.
Apart from the food, where you use this turmeric powder? Shreya knows, but she is feeling shy. Like Baja. I think your Muslim custom, there is a haldi, something is there before wedding. What is that, Baja? Can you explain that?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know. You didn't go to any haldi wedding in your caste.
Ma'am, maybe in face.
Yeah?
Turmeric powder.
Face.
Face. Nouralia,
Ma'am, in our face.
Nouralia, in your custom, in your Muslim weddings, will there is a custom of putting haldi? Yes or no? You don't know. You know it, but you don't. You feel shy, ma'am. Why are you talking about this wedding and all? We are only 7. I'm not talking about your wedding. I'm talking about your cousin sister's wedding. You must have gone. Haldi. Huh? Nasreen also knows. Tell me, Nasreen, what is that? Haldi.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Huh?
Ma'am, putting in the face, right? On yellow color.
That one. Boys are telling me, girls are not telling me. Afrin will tell. Afrin, you will tell me, no, about haldi? Huh? Where we use haldi? Haldi wedding.
Ma'am, 2 days before the wedding, we will put turmeric on the face.
Face of the bride. Yeah. Will we put on the face of the boys? Shahan, will you put on the face of the boys like
No,
that?
ma'am.
Because I don't know
No,
about
ma'am.
this. No. Okay. No, I just asked because I don't know much about Muslim wedding. I just heard it. That's what I'm just asked. Okay. So, another use of turmeric powder we uses on our face. Girls to become fair, we used to put the turmeric powder. Okay. Whatever you get in the packet turmeric powder, don't use on face. Okay. That is full of corruption. Okay. That is they'll be putting they'll be putting holy color in that. Holy yellow color, you know. They will put that. On your face, what you really want to do, the real turmeric, no, you dry it and make it powder. That is how the real one. Anyway, let us now go to turmeric powder. This is our second activity. Second activity, this is also part of your internal assignment. So 2 activities I told you, China rose. I gave you time to do it. Now this also you have to do. So both you do and then give me the message. Don't give me the message by doing only one. Both you do. Now what we do, how to do this turmeric powder? Take a butter paper or your tissue paper. You may have a tissue paper at home, okay? Or A4 size also will do. You can take A4 size paper also. What we do means, we have to take the turmeric powder and make it a paste. Make it a paste means put little water, make it paste. Don't make watery, make it paste. Just like our, just like our toothpaste. Okay, just like a toothpaste, take 2-3 spoon of turmeric powder, make a paste by adding little by water. Don't make it watery, make it. Then after making that paste in the form of a cement, you know how you make a cement. How do we make a cement while you're putting on the houses? Okay. Similarly, you take that like that and paste it. Paste it means paint it. Paint it on the tissue paper or the A4 size paper. And the tissue paper is much better, I feel so, because easily the color will come. Otherwise, you take A4 size paper, no problem. Yeah? Take that A4 size paper, nicely put that turmeric paste on it and spread it. Spread it. When you spread it, yes, Raya?
Can you repeat it once more?
Take 2-3 spoons of turmeric powder, put little by little water and make it paste form. Don't put more water and don't make liquid, paste form. Then that paste, you put it on the paper, A4 size white paper, and spread it, okay? When you spread it, your paper will be turned into yellow color, nice yellow color, okay? Then what we do, cut small strips, cut small pieces of it, like a square, you make it like a square. And what I wanted means, take that piece of paper and then you dip it in the soap solution. You dip in the soap solution. When you dip in the soap solution, you will able to see a red color. That whichever paper you dipped in the soap solution, that part turn into red. Okay? So don't take full A4 size sheet, half size sheet is enough. Okay? This is an activity. So when turmeric powder, make the soap solution. When you dip that into that soap solution, since it is a base, it is turned into red color.
Red color.
So this is how we indicate, how we identify whether it is a base or acid. So this is only for base. For acid, not color. Acid, it will be purple color. For base, it will be red in color. Okay, red means not pure red, mixture of something like clotted blood type color. Our activity not at over. Yeah, activity not at over. What I wanted means you just try whether you are getting the red color. Now, the second step of your activity, cut that A4 size sheet, whichever put by the turmeric powder, and you can make a greeting card out of it. Are you getting me? Greeting card. Now, Onam
I
celebration.
didn't understand.
I will tell you. You understood how to put the turmeric powder on the paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you cut that half of the A4 size sheet, and on the top, take the soap solution in the liquid form. Okay? And then you can draw with a pencil on your greeting card, maybe flowers. Now Onam celebration is coming, correct? If you want to make a pookalam there with that, okay? So you can draw a single shape of a pookalam or anything which you like. And this soap solution, you put slowly in that pookalam, different pookalam, okay? Then wherever you put the soap solution, it will give you the shape of that pookalam or flower. It's not necessary. You can draw a flower there. You can draw a lotus. And on the top of lotus, on the turmeric sheet, turmeric sheet you draw with the pencil first. Then on that outline of the pencil, slowly, you put the soap solution, drop by drop till you get a beautiful lotus. That means that lotus will be in color of red. It will be in color of red. Okay. So that's an activity that can be finished slowly. By this week you take this week, and you can write it there. Whom you want to send. You want to give your mother, so you can happy Onam or happy Vishu or happy Christmas, whatever it may be, it is up to you. You can write it with the soap solution in that turmeric sheet. So you will get a beautiful greeting card out of it. So this is one activity. Then what you supposed to do? Make that greeting card, click the photo and send it to me personally. Heard, journal? Yeah, why are you smiling? Oh, what this ma'am is telling. Oh, I don't like. I know he has no interest in making. Girls are interested in making, but you have to make. It's a part of activity. Click the photo of your greeting card. Click the photo of your greeting card and send it to me. And I will be giving the guidelines. I will be writing the paper, and through WhatsApp I will send it to you again. What are the things I said. Okay. So if you forget, so you can follow the guideline and make a greeting card. Clear? So I just want to show you. In your textbook, they have showed one greeting card like that. I show you. So an example, it has done. So it's an activity we do. Wait. Yeah. Where is that? Okay. Just now it went up. I think on your page. Slow, let me do. I'll show you on the book where it is. Because this chapter is full of activity. I cannot just teach you only the theory. We need to do some activity. Where it was? China. It's on page. Those are textbook. You took this picture is there. You can prepare a card for your mother. I think which page it is. I cannot see that.
Ma'am, 52.
Page number 52. Yeah. Page number 52. Page number 52. It is explained. Your activity. No, it is moving. Move. Very slow. This chapter is full of activity. This is under turmeric is another natural indicator. Under that. Okay. Activity 5.2. Write it down. Turmeric is another natural indicator. Activity 5.2. You can read
5.2.
that. Yeah. In that clearly it has said how to make the greeting card. Okay. You can read that. You can read that and you can make it that. Okay. The
Okay, ma'am.
table don't do, because table we cannot do because we need to have a litmus paper. That we don't have. That is only chemistry lab you will get it. Yeah. So you can see one picture here. Yeah. Draw a beautiful flower with the soap solution with the help of a cotton bud. You will get a beautiful greeting card. Either you use the cotton bud, dip it in the surf water and you can frame it. Any. Not in square, you can have any shape. See, in this picture, they have showed some different way of, what is that? Different figure, something like cloud, they have cut that turmeric paper. Okay. And on that person is drawing something. Okay. So go through it and then you will able to do. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Afridi, you can write it down. Why are you taking screenshot? It is in your textbook. It is in your textbook, page number 52. Activity 5.2. Clear? It is there in the textbook. I am showing the textbook only. Okay? Anyone have any doubt regarding this, children?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, good. Good. So that is the second indicator. Second indicator, what we are moving on. And there are some activity that we can do only in the lab. Okay. So that's why I'm not making you to do it. Whatever you can do at home, I will help you. Others I'll tell you. Now we are moving on to the next one. Next, last indicator, what we are going to study is litmus paper. Okay. Litmus paper. That is not artificial. Yeah. So third indicator, litmus paper. So litmus paper is an artificially made paper, but we are using with the help of a natural plant. You know the thing, not a plant, an organism. The organism is lichens. Where did you hear this word lichens?
Nutrition
Ma'am, nutrition in plants. Ma'am,
Nutrition
nutrition
plants. Yeah. What are those lichens? Who are these lichens? Anyone remember? It's an organism. Who are they?
Symbiotic.
It is in symbiotic relationship. So, lichens are what you call for that. They are in symbiotic relationship with the fungi. But what are those lichens? Another name is there. Small organisms. Very good. That is what we learn. Algae. Okay. The small living organism, algae. Correct? So, this litmus paper made out of algae. Made out of algae means this algae produce a particular liquid. Algae produce a particular liquid. So, scientifically, the people, the lab people, those who do the research on this, these people will extract that juice from the lichens. There's a liquid, okay? And they extract that juice, and that juice will be painted on a paper, a tissue paper. Tissue means little more light paper. Not only extract our tissue, little more thick, okay? So they paint that liquid on that paper. And just like a turmeric, how we cut into pieces. Similarly, this paper will be cut into pieces. So we will get litmus paper in two colors. One is in blue color Another one is in red color. So that they must have been adding the color into it. The liquid they take it, not the lichens liquid color is not blue and red. They extract that juice, then afterwards they must have painted on that paper, small paper, blue color and red color, turn into blue color. Okay, I'll show you in your textbook, it is shown, the lichens. Okay, this is the lichens. So this is the lichens. It will grow in the water also. It will grow in the sea also. Yeah. So there will be some juice will be produced. In my slide, these both are in dark color. But when you look at in your textbook, this is in blue color. This is in red color. Okay. In this slide, it is dark in color because I downloaded textbook from internet. So that is why this color difference. Otherwise, if you look it in your textbook page, okay. If you look at textbook page, that is page number 50, you will see this is blue color, this is in red color. So this is not a red and blue litmus paper. So litmus paper is made out of lichens. They extract the juice from lichens, they painted on this paper and then they color it red and blue. Why? Because it can indicate whether it is acid or base. Now, how we can identify whether it is acid or base? Suppose blue litmus is dipping in an acid. Blue litmus is dipping in acid. Then it turn into red. Very important for one word answers. It turn into red color. Turn into red color. If blue litmus paper is dipping in acid, then it turn into red color. By looking at the color, you will come to know that substance is acid. Okay. But if it is dipping in base, suppose it is dipping in base, no color. That is important point. In base, blue litmus did not show any color. Okay. Blue litmus is dipping in acid, then it turn into red color. But if it is dipping in base, then no color. Okay. If doesn't give any color, then we can say it is base. If it gives red color, then we can say it is an acid. Clear? Did you clear, children? So this is about blue litmus paper. Yeah?
What about the litmus color?
Okay. So I think time up now. Today that's enough. Then red litmus I'll teach you next class because both will get confused otherwise. Because I have enough and told. So do both activities. Amen. Those who did not do the both activity. I am giving 1 week in time. By Saturday, Sunday, I should get the picture. I should get the picture of the greeting card. You make a small card, that's also enough. So either use cotton bud, read the textbook. It is nicely explained in the thing. And I also will give you reminder. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.